honest.
Well, if the green one's showing, you can give me some, like, you know.
You need a wheelchair so you can
Oh, Claire, say some words, because this will be my flashback.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Don't die.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. We're good. We're good. Hiya.
What?
Woo!
Mum.
What?
I want to polish. Mum, this light.
Dude, I actually have a light, but it's pink, and I don't think you should drink from it.
I have no shoes.
Except for you, yeah.
Do you have any spare socks?
We're gonna have Burger King chips right now. Would be amazing.